uh, entire number and digit, and we were printing the frequency of the search digit if it is found. Okay, so good morning class 9th again. So today first of all we will discuss about the last question, which was in which we were finding the frequency of a digit in a number if it is found. Otherwise we were printing digit not found. Any doubt in that question, bachcho? Class 9. Everyone is comfortable in that question, bachcho? If anybody having any problem, any confusion, what? Yes, sir. Prakriti, you want to discuss? Bharat? Okay. So we are moving forward, right? Shlok Agrawal, Riddhi, Rachit. So do we need to discuss that question or not? Tell me fast. Okay. Okay. So we are moving forward. So now the next question is, my screen is not visible, I think. Shreya Rastogi. Yes, beta Shreya, absolutely fine.
Okay, sir.
So I am going to share my screen. Arisha, any question you want to discuss, beta? Okay, then we are moving forward, right? I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
So now my question is, we have to enter a number and check whether it is special or not. What are the special number? Please try to understand this. So the special number are the numbers. For example, we are taking 145. So special number are the numbers whose sum of factorial of each digit means 5 factorial, 4 factorial plus 1 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That is 120. Plus 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That is 24. And the 1 factorial is itself 1. So sum of all these factorial of digit must be same to the actual number. So this is the simple example. Am I clear, everyone? Sum of the special number are the numbers whose sum of factorial of each digit is equals to the number itself. For example, I have shown you here. You can write in your notebook also. This is the simple question. You need to try this fast. If you are not, in this program 2 loops are required. One loop is for extracting the digit and one loop is for finding the factorial of each digit. Please pay attention. This is very, very important question. Okay? Please try, everyone. Hurry up, everyone. I am posting the question in the chat box also with example. You can copy this. Now everybody has to try. Out of 46, till now 32 only have joined. Vedant, and after, who is this? Rachit. Absolutely fine, Rachit. Very good, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Eshita, please try. Daksh, Amisha.
Sir, my program isn't fitting. So, sir, can I mail you or post
No. You can post in GCR, beta. No issue. I told you yesterday only कि if the program is not coming in the chat box properly, you can post in the GCR. Have you posted?
Yes, sir. I've posted it as a comment on your link.
Okay. Ah, yes, I got it. Just wait. Absolutely fine, बच्चे. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Aditya, my request is while printing, whenever you are checking something, so print that number also. Like you have printed a special number, not a special number. That is always better option, beta. है ना?
Sir, I'll just make it.
No problem. But just I am telling you. Just keep in mind. Because sometime in the question, in the board, you are getting question in which you need to print, and many of you have missed that point. Because you are not in practice for printing the number. Abhyuday. Very good, beta, Abhyuday. Well done. See, if somebody is posting the question answer in the GCR, please let me know. Okay, bachcho, keep in mind this.
Sir, I've made the necessary changes.
Okay, thank you. Nitya, are you doing better?
Yes, sir, almost done.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. Eshita,
Yes, sir.
are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anushka, beta. See, if anybody having any type of confusion, he or she can ask immediately without wasting their time. Hai na, beta? I will definitely, discuss that problem in which you people are facing trouble. Sarthak, are you comfortable in this?
Yes, sir. I have received GCR.
Okay. But it has not come. Who has posted just? Acha, Kavyansh. Just relax. I got it. Kavyansh is absolutely fine, beta. Very good. Well done. Anushka Kasaudan. Anushka Kasaudan.
Yes, sir.
Beta, see, you have used two for loops, so this is the exact example of nested loop. And there is a very small mistake that P must be 1 inside the first for loop. Rest is absolutely fine.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me.
Okay, sir.
Good. Rest is absolutely fine. And try to print the number also, that is n. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Riddhi. Riddhi, the same mistake that p equals to 1 must be inside the while loop and s equals to s plus p. After that you need to close the while loop, then it is fine. And the else is missing because it is not coming in this chat box. So you can post. Rest is fine, beta. Do the changes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Anushka.
Sir, I have written P is equal to 1 in statement.
No, beta, that won't work because every time we need to calculate the factorial of each digit. So this will be working only if you are finding the factorial of one digit. But if you need to recalculate again and again, so you need to reinitialize inside the loop. Okay? Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta, Priyamvada.
Sir, can you please repeat what special number is? Sir, actually I cannot join mates because of internet issues.
Okay, just wait. Special number are those numbers whose sum of factorial of each digit equals to the number itself. For example, 145. See here, the question I have posted again. You can go through that. So, for example, 145 is a special number where the factorial of 5 plus 4 plus 1 must be same as the actual number. Amisha.
Okay, sir.
Amisha. Yes, Amisha, absolutely fine, beta. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Should I discuss this program? Okay, let me discuss this. I am sharing my screen. Arisha, are you comfortable in this?
Sir, I have posted.
Where? In the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, let me check. Beta, small mistake, Arisha. The s equals to 1 must be before the for loop, not inside the for loop. Rest is fine.
Okay.
Rest is absolutely fine. Very good.
Okay, sir. Thank
So now for others, I am writing this question. The solution is there on the screen. Some variables I have declared here, enter a number. And now in this line, we are extracting the digit. This line you can write after the for loop also here. That is up to you. Then after, inside this for loop, we are simply finding the factorial of each digit. Then doing the sum, and ultimately we are checking if sum equals to the copy which you have already created after inputting. Then we are printing the special number, else not. I hope there is no doubt. Am I clear this? Now let me show you the output. Sum equals to 0. Sorry, it must be S, not sum. So now see, 145, it is a special number. Now one more time I will show you, like 370, this is also a, sorry, not a special number, let me, 7 factorial Sasubis, yes, it is not a special number. One more time, you can enter any other number, not a special number, right? Any confusion in this, bachcho?
No, sir.
Okay, so we are moving forward. Good. Now, the next question is that I am showing you here. So now in this question, in the next question, we are going to join two numbers. So the question is like joiner. So we are inputting the first number. For example, you can enter like this and the second number. Please pay attention. Second number you are inputting, suppose 45. So the answer what answer you want. Please try to understand this. So answer must be so 2,05,845. Is it clear, everyone? So what we are doing, we are adding two number, we are joining two number like this. So in this case the second number is coming at the end of this and we are printing the whole number. So suppose the answer you are storing in S. So while after printing S, the output must be 2,05,845. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
You can take one more example here, like 98. This is the first number. Second number is like 16. So output must be 98516. 98,506. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please try now. So 37 of you have, 36. Enter two number and add them in the first one. Second number has to be added in the first one. Everyone is getting the question. Laksh, Laksh, your was correct. Very good. Aryan, Ashok. But Aryan, there is a small mistakes. Check equals to 1 must be inside the for loop, because in check only you are finding there is a mistake beta. It's wrong. Please do the required correction. Sarthak, any confusion beta?
No, sir.
Shubhika?
No confusion.
Good. Have you done the last question, Shubhika?
So after enter digit and check whether it is special or not.
Yes, but digit nahi. We are inputting a number. Enter a number and check whether it is special or not. You have done this?
Yes.
Okay. Those who have not done, in the video everything I am recording. Okay, so you can watch it later also and just copy the solution in your notebook. And if you are having doubt, you can ask. Harshit Lalwani is there? No. Soham Matanhelia is absent. Harshit is absent. Vedant?
Yes, sir, present.
Beta, why did you join late?
Sir, actually due to net issues, I'm not able to.
Okay. Okay, beta. Chalo, it's okay, no problem. Gaurang Agarwal is absent. Ghazi is absent. Many are absent today. What is the wrong with you people? Soham, you are present. Beta, please join on time, beta, Soham. Okay, Abhyuday Gupta. Abhyuday Gupta. Okay. Beta, A into F. Very good. Well done, betas. Abhyuday is absolutely fine. Hurry up, bachcho. I want more response. Rachit. Rachit, you are counting the digit, absolutely fine. Then finding the power, multiplied the first number, then adding the second number. Yes, absolutely fine. Rachit beta, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now Arisha. Arisha counting the digit, then power, multiplying the first number plus the second number. Absolutely fine beta. Arisha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, God bless you. Who is this? Priyamvada. Priyamvada into copy 1. First number into this D2. Absolutely fine. Then second number. Very good, beta. Priyamvada.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Prakhar Nayak. Do it. Simple mathematics you need to apply on this question. Very easy question. Come on. Aditya, Akshara, Amisha.
Sir, doing.
Okay. Take your time. Okay, beta, wait. Who has posted? Riddhi. Riddhi. 8 into 10 to the power C A plus K. Absolutely fine, bachche. Very good. Beta Riddhi. Beta, what you have done, this B equals to K, it must be K equals to B. Then it is fine.
Okay, sir.
Shreya Rastogi. Shreya. Very good. Shreya is fine. Laksh Goyal. Yes, Laksh, good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Who else is posting? Please intimate me.
Sir, I have posted.
Ashita. 1 minute, beta. I am checking this. Okay, Ashita. P equals to P into 10. Very good. A into P. What is A? Okay, number. Number plus K. Absolutely fine, beta Ashita. Very good. Sarthak Pandey is fine, beta. Yes, beta. Anushka.
Sir, I have a
Where? Okay. Got it.
Sir,
नहीं got it. सही है बेटा. Absolutely fine. Very good. Bharat, should I discuss this program, बच्चों?
yes, sir.
Okay. So let me discuss you this program. I hope my screen is visible. Good.
Yes, sir.
So now see, there is a simple basic method. After inputting two numbers like this, N and M, enter the first number, then we are inputting the second number. This message is always optional. Now see, so the first number you are storing in M and the second you are storing in N. Suppose the M is, you have entered 156 and N you have entered 25. So first of all, what you are supposed to do, just need to count the number of digits. So here the number of digits are 3. Now see, so what you are supposed to do, 10 to the power 3 into the number, first number, plus the second number. So 10 to the power is 1000, 1000 into this, so what, 1560. Am I clear? In plus the number, that is 25. So just add it. So what you will get? Now see, 15625. So this is the correct answer. Am I clear, everyone? So the same working I am going to do you, I am going to show you here. So first of all, we are finding this. Now, after that, the whole thing we are going to do in this way. S equals to S plus int mat dot pow 10 comma the number of digit, that is C, multiplied by the second number, that is N, and then you are putting in this. After that, we are printing the result which you have stored in S. Let me show you the output. A small mistake. 10 comma C. C I have not declared actually. So now I will declare with 0. Now there is no error. So the number I am entering 156 and 25. So this is coming 25,000. I have done some silly mistake. Multiplied by M plus the number. The number is N, not C. Then after that, S equals to, we are adding this. Now see, what is wrong, bachcho? I have done some silly mistake. Actually, I am using M, so I need to use the copy because M was 0. Am I clear? These are the silly mistakes which everybody does while doing the program. Is it clear or wrong?
Sir, it is wrong.
It is wrong. Because
it is wrong because you have
We have to
broken up
find
the number of digits.
of second number. Of the, yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
okay,
you have
okay,
to
okay.
consider that kind of-
Sorry. Just change it. A small change I am going to do here. I am using A also. Now we are working on A. Now then it is fine. Any confusion here?
No, sir.
So in this program we need to find the number of digit of the second number, not the first number. And one more thing, if you are finding the number of digit of the first number, in that case what we are supposed to do, very small change, instead of 10 to the power C, like just C minus 1, 10 to the power C minus 1, it will work on that also. That way also we can use. Is that clear? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Anybody? Bharat?
No, sir.
Sure, bachcho? Very good. Okay, Vedant. Yes. And now one more thing before writing the question in the fair notebook, please everybody has to execute these programs on computer. And if you are not getting the correct output, please let me know. We will discuss that. Okay. Now the next question is
Sir, I've posted.
where
Sir, on chat box.
in chat box.
So I have posted in GSPR.
Okay, now this question I have discussed already. num2, num1. Yes, I think it will work. You can check this on computer also. Now,
Sir, it is running. Salama computer. Sir.
okay, very good. It will work. No issue. Now, again, one more question we are going to discuss. So let me share the screen. So now the next question is, see here. Please try to understand what we are supposed to do. Suppose you have entered this number. So from this number you need to generate the largest number which is having all the digits of the number. So the largest number, what would be the largest number? Who will tell?
Sir, 5420.
5420. This number, the largest number, using the existing digits only, you need to generate the largest number. The number which you have entered, suppose this, or maybe you have entered this. So suppose you have entered 1925. So the largest number using all these four digits are 9, 5, 2, 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Please note down this question in your language. Enter a number and using the existing digit of the number, generate the largest number, not the digits. Got it? Do it fast. I hope everybody has written the question. The question is on your screen. Enter a number and generate the largest number using the existing digits present in a number. Got it? The question is on your screen, bachcho. You can note down in your with example also. Written the question? Okay, do it fast. Aprajita, please do it fast. Bharat Asthana,
Yes, sir.
but you have joined using two devices.
No, sir.
It's showing here.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Rudraksh, are you comfortable in this? Shivansh, Soumya,
Yes, sir.
good. Keep trying, beta. Shrestha Tripathi, Surabhi, Tausif, But many of you not joining today. What's wrong? Now from the next class, from the next week we will start the new topic, pattern printing. So please revise the for loop as well as the while loop. Okay? Because till the pattern printing everything is coming in the next exam. That is your term 3. Because in other section the pattern printing already started. So in the next class we will discuss that, and that's very easy topic. So please recall, revise especially the for loop, because we need to focus on the for loop again. Anybody is trying, beta? This is, little bit tricky questions, so please take your time. And those who are not able to do right now, they can do it later yourself without, taking the help from anyone. Just keep on doing, and you can send your solution on the mail also. Okay, do one thing, bachcho. With this, we are ending the class. Okay, it's already 10:40. So this is your homework. You can try this question at your convenience and send it by tomorrow 9 p.m. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, bachcho. Now you can leave. If you are having any query, you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Those who are doing, okay, beta. Anushka, Kartike Kumar, Ankit Sharma.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta. Bye, बच्चे. Wahid, any confusion, beta?